Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, and we are incredibly proud to be bringing to market this absolutely incredible piece of machinery. Now here we have the Jaguar F-Pace D300 V6S, and it's finished perfectly in the Odyssey red metallic paint and complemented with a full ebony leather upholstery. Now this vehicle comes to us covered only 25,276 miles. And it also has a full Jaguar service history. And to add to this, we have £10,120 worth of factory fitted optional extras. I'd like to take you through some of those on this list, and also some of the standard equipment that's also on the vehicle. So first and foremost, we have the advanced parking pilot with surround camera. And this was a £1,890 factory option. We also have these absolutely stunning alloy wheels, which are the 22-inch double Helix, 15-spoke in silver finish with the dark inserts. These were a £1,640 factory option, and I'm sure you'll agree, they look absolutely wonderful on this vehicle. You can see the red calipers just behind those spokes there. When we head inside the vehicle, we'll be able to see the Panoramic Sunroof, which is a £1,225 factory option. We also have a fuel-fired heater with cabin preheat, which is a £1,020 option. Full LED headlamps with adaptive lighting, and these were £895 from the factory. Of course, the Odyssey red metallic, which just looks absolutely incredible, not only under these showroom lights, but as soon as the sunlight hits this, we get an incredibly deep, rich colour come through. And that's a £690 factory option. Something known as InControl Secure, which is £525. Blind spot monitoring with reverse traffic detection, which is a £510 factory option. Lane keep assist and driver condition monitor, which is a drowsiness monitor for the driver, at £470. Privacy glass, we can see here from the B pillar backwards, at £385. Again, really finishing off that exterior styling very well. We have something known as the gesture tailgate, which is hands-free tailgate opening. A heated steering wheel at £190. Adaptive surface response at £155. We also have an 18-inch space saver spare wheel at £155. An air quality sensor at £55. A lockable cooled glove box, again at £55. And we also have a remote release of the second row seats in the boot, which again was a £55 factory option. Something else to note on the exterior are the fixed side steps, which in keeping with the SUV, certainly do look very nice on the vehicle. And we have Jaguar fitted front and rear mud flaps. Now heading inside the vehicle, we're going to see some of these options. Now first thing we notice, even though we have some daylight, is the ambient lighting in this car. And you can only imagine just how stunning that looks after dark. So some items to mention in here are fully electric driver's seat, and over on the door edge just here is where we have the 3 memory positions to save that to. And of course that's going to save the steering wheel and your mirrors to that position. Multifunction steering wheel with a heated steering wheel button on there, as well as cruise control, speed limiter, plus a whole host of additional features on the left hand side. In the centre console where we see the shifter and the different drive modes just behind that. And of course the large touchscreen in the centre with the satellite navigation, all of the multimedia, vehicle settings, Bluetooth, and of course that view for the surround camera. And just beneath there we have the dual zone climate control with heated seat buttons. And of course having a look up top is where we're going to see the S embossed headrests and that full-length glass panoramic sunroof. Now looking into the rear of the vehicle, for rear seat passengers, There's a selection of power supplies and media inputs and their own ventilation. And that panoramic roof again, as you can see here, covering those rear seat passengers for their comfort. So there's a huge list of additional equipment on this vehicle. And of course, if there's anything that we've missed or any queries, you are welcome to get in touch and we'll happily provide you with a personal video. I'll get the details to you over the telephone. And of course, here at AMT, we like to look after our customers all under one roof. We have options for funding with our funding partners for any vehicle outside of manufacturer's warranty. You can see in the background just there, our partners at Warranty Wise, able to offer us extended warranties. And of course, if you'd like to keep the vehicle looking like you see here, we also have Autoglynn's Life Shine products for the exterior bodywork, the glass, and all of the upholsteries on the interior.